So dear friends, in this video I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process to download any non-copyright music or royalty-free music from YouTube itself. Okay? So just before diving into the process, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. First, open your Chrome browser and now search here studio.youtube.com. Okay? So now press enter or click on go at the bottom right corner. And now my YouTube channel is open in desktop version. I'm into downloading copyright-free music or royalty-free music. First, you gotta open your channel in desktop mode, okay? So after opening your channel in desktop mode, look at the left side, you get some options here. So from these options, click on the last option. For your help, I want to zoom in the page a little bit. And now see, you're redirected to the audio library, but you gotta do a little bit settings here. Click here, search or filter library. Now select the last second options, attribution not required, okay, this one. So select this option, and now you can download any music from here. So to download any music from here, first play the music. For example, if I want to download this first one, first I gotta play this music. After playing the music, pause the music. Now look at the right side, you get a download option here. So just click on this download option to download this music. If you click on download, you'll get this option. Okay, just click on download to download this music. Now the music has been downloaded and is saved on my phone, okay? So this is how you can download copyright-free music from YouTube itself. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if you want more of this kind of helpful and informative videos, then subscribe to the channel right now. So, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.